Do you feel that things are way more complicated than they need to be? Things are just so complicated that you just get annoyed at every turn? My name is Kay. I'm a tech minimalist, and I help people organize their technology so they can free up their time. So this morning I had a client come in, and she had some issues with her email. Now, short story, she was in the States. She had a problem with her computer. She went to the geniuses in the Apple store, and they said, well, we just need to format the drive, which was a bit weird. But anyway, so they formatted it because she had a time machine backup. She put the time machine backup back, and her email wasn't working. Story of my life. I hear this all the time. She couldn't understand why they couldn't help her. They said contact her domain host where her email is hosted. She contacted them. They reset a few things, and it still didn't work. She contacted me. Within 5 minutes, I fixed it, literally 5-10 minutes. It was actually to do with the wrong password. Now, the thing is, why am I talking about this regarding complications with this episode? Well, people look at the most complicated issue than the most simple. It was a simple fix, password issue. But they're wiping hard drives. They're resetting things at the domain host. They're doing all of this stuff. Just didn't have to happen. So my point is to have less complications with tech minimalism. Get rid of all the things that you don't need, whether it's in your life, whether it's on your phone, whether it's on your computer, whether it's your clothes, whatever it is. And I'm not talking about minimalism. I'm talking about complications in your life in general. And that equates to you working and creating more time for yourself. The less shit that you have to deal with, the more time you have for yourself. It's simple. It's mathematics, I guess. Einstein wouldn't be happy, but it is basically mathematics. Do less of this, you have more of that. Stop complications, free up your time. And it still amazes me how people work on their computers, on their Macs, what their workflow is like, because, I mean, email is a big thing for me. If you have more than 1 or 2 folders in your email, you're doing it wrong. You're just simply wasting your time, and you're doing it wrong. The only folder I have is inbox, which is an inbox, not even a folder, and archive, which is actually, again, not really a folder. It's an archive. But I'll just say 2 folders. You read it, you get rid of it. This person lost a bunch of sent items. For some reason, they weren't going to her IMAP server. So she lost about 3,000 emails just in her sent items. A lot of stuff that's important to her. So we have to try to get it back from the backup. Anyway, that's it for this episode. I just wanted to make a quick video today. It is Friday. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you have a fantastic weekend. As always, I will be sending out an email on Sunday. So every Sunday I send an email out. If you subscribe at macjunkie.com/subscribe, you can also listen to this if you're watching this at macjunkie.com/podcast. Or if you go to macjunkie.com/videos for the video. I'm making it too complicated. I've got to try to simplify this. I'm going to try to simplify this. Anyway, have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. And as always, keep it simple. See you then. Ciao.